Hi ladies, this is Mary Grove, Mary Kay Beauty Consultant. I'm here today to show you a dash out the door look. Not just any dash out the door look. This is going to be a dash out the door look for just your eyes. And why just for your eyes? Because we're social distancing and because we're wearing masks all day. Do we need to worry about our lips and our lip color and our cheek color? Hardly our foundation. It would be nice to add some powder or something. But really, the focus these days is on our eyes. We're all covered up. Why are our eyes so important? Because as my mother always told me, the eyes are the windows to the soul. If the eyes are the window to the soul, what does that mean? It means they can tell when we're happy, when we're angry, when we're sad, when we're excited. If we are showing all this emotion with just our eyes, shouldn't they look good? Don't we want people to see what we're really feeling in a beautiful way? So that's what we're going to do today. And we're doing this with just very few Mary Kay products. You can see from my own eyes, we've got a lot of discoloration going on. Allergies have been hitting me hard this season, so you'll see some redness. And I am one of those people that have perpetual dark circles. Just the way it is. So we're only going to use 4 products, and we're going to make the eyes suitable for dashing out the door. So here we go. First product we're going to use is called Mary Kay Eye Primer. It's one of my customers' very favorite product. We're going to prime our eyelet all over our eyes. You only need very little. Priming your eyes. It's going to serve as a brightener. It also serves to hold your eye makeup in place, whether it's liquid or powder. Keeps the eye makeup from creasing. And it will last all day long, up to 12 hours. One of my favorite products as well. Very easy, put it on with your fingers. You can use a brush if you'd like. I personally just use my fingers for that part. Next thing we're going to use is Light Beam Liquid Eyeshadow. Now this is brand new, just came out from Mary Kay. This one is called Light Beam, as a gold undertone. Now I might go a little crazy, add a little meteor shower, liquid undertone, 2 colors. So I'm increasing it, but you'll see how easy it is to put on. We also have 2 other colors in this formula, and I'll show you that at the end. So, what I'm going to do is put some Light Beam all over my eye, both eyes, just like that. Now, honestly, I'm using a brush here. You don't need to use a brush. You can go like this with your finger. The Light Beam is acting as a highlighter, and it's also acting as an eyeshadow. It's basically, you can do this without even looking in the mirror. Gives it a nice look. Now, if I wasn't dashing out the door, honestly, I would be using Mary Kay concealer on my eyes, because you saw those 2 tones and all those tones I got going on in my eyes. But I'm with you. I'm dashing out the door. I don't need to do many steps. I just want people to see that I'm put together and that when I'm communicating with them, it looks nice. Now, I also have, this is a meteor shower. It's more of a taupey color, so I feel like that will look good with the gold. I'm just going to put it a little bit in the crease here. It really won't take long. Again, just want to show you we have a lovely brush for this, but you don't need to use a brush. You can use your eyes. And everything is fixable with blending. Blend, blend, blend. Blend, blend, blend. Here we use the brush again. Boop. Ooh, good dark. Here we go. Okay. Next step is under eye corrector. Mary Kay really shines here. Shine in all their products. This is loved by all. All that dark shadowing in there that I especially have. Now, if you weren't wearing a mask, this is a highlighter. You think I put a lot on, but just wait. Put it up here. Opens your eyes a little bit. Just blend, blend, blend. Another product that you really don't need a mirror for. If you know you're feeling tired and you have to go to the next event, either you're meeting people for dinner after work or you go to work and you look exhausted, just put on under eye corrector. And guess what? It's buildable. After 1 hour, after a little while, put on some more. It won't crease, it won't get cakey, it won't build up, and it will look beautiful. Okay. Now, we're going to do some mascara. Mary Kay's Black Ultimate Mascara is what I'm using here. It's a Mary Kay top 10 bestseller, but all our mascaras are lovely and beautiful. You'll see. It's volumizing. Now the key to this mascara, it's also buildable. So you can put one coat on, you can wait a minute or so and put another coat on, and you can wait another minute or so and put another coat on and get as much volume as you please. Now I personally like to do my lower lid, my lower lashes I mean. Turn the brush around a little bit. Now, the important thing about the mascara is don't pump the brush. Just take it out, twirl it around, get off the excess. Let it just dry just a little bit. You don't want it to be gloppy. And do another coat if you like. Here we go. It's good enough for now. See? So that's my dash out the door look. Gonna take my hair down because if I'm going out, leave my mask on, I'm ready to go buy toilet paper and bring some sunshine to the person selling it to me over the counter who's working so hard all day. So, hope you learned something here and try these look for yourself. Contact your Mary Kay Beauty Consultant for the eye primer, our liquid eye colors, which are in Light Beam, Meteor Shower, Purple Nova, isn't that pretty? And Pink Shimmer. under eye corrector, and black ultimate mascara. Well, have a great day and hope we're not social distancing for long. And when we're not, we'll do a dash out the door look of our whole face. How does that sound? Okay, bye.